Hello guys, my name is Fadi Dibo and welcome a new tutorial for building full web app with Vue.js in front end and node.js Express and mysql database as a backend. Before we start, what we should have to install to start this tutorial. First of all, we should install node.js. You will go to nodejs.org and install the current version. After you install it, we will check if it's installed correctly or not. So on the keyboard you can press Windows sign and R and type cmd, click OK, then node-v to see we have node version 14 installed. So for now everything good. The second step is to install Vue.js CLI command line interface. It helps us to create our Vue project. So how to install it? We can go to Google and type install Vue CLI. So it will redirect you to this page, and we can take this statement and put it here and press enter. And this is an install, so I will install it and we can make it global before the view and enter. This statement will install us Vue command line interface, so we just need to wait npm to install this package. After that we can start to create our first project. While it's downloading, let's go to Vue documentation or Vue guide. First, if you want to create a Vue project after install the Vue CLI, you just need to type Vue create and name your project as you like. So after this installation is finished, we will create our first app, and there is many steps. We will do it one by one after the CLI is finished. So I will stop the video right now, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and we will back after the CLI installation is done. So the CLI installed successfully. We have some error, don't care about it now. After that, we should go to the directory where we want to install the application inside it. So I will do cd then desktop. So I will put our project in the desktop. So we are in the desktop directory now. Now we will do Vue create and our app, let's say e-commerce app, and press enter and just wait a second. So these options on the screen told us how you want to create your Vue app. Did you want to make it like Fadi project? I have already previous project. I installed some package on it, so I name it as Fadi. So every time I want to create a new app, I can choose it to install all the package that I installed before. Or we can use Vue 3 or Vue 2. I will choose manually select feature and press enter. It's already select Babel, and we will choose the router by pressing space and Vue X for state management. Then I will press enter. It will say, do you want Vue.js 3 or Vue.js 2? Of course, I will choose 3. And use history model. Did you want? Just say yes. And which AS length you want? I will choose prettier and length on save also. Do you want to prefer placing config for Babel extra in dedicated config file or in package.json? Let's say dedicated file. Save this preset for a future project. That means if you type yes, it will ask you to type a name, so it will appear. This name will appear for you in each time you will create a Vue project, like just like Fadi word here. So I will say no, and I don't want to make preset, and the Vue project will start creating now. So in the desktop, as the link say, in the desktop there will be e-commerce app. So let's go to the desktop and check. Look, this is the e-commerce app and the Vue now installing in this directory. So we have to wait until the installation done, and I will stop this video until it's done. As you see, our project is ready now, and what we need to do is go or move to the project directory. So I will type cd e-commerce dash app and press enter. Sorry, there is no e, enter. So now we are in the directory, and we can type this npm run serve to save the project on the browser. Before we do it, let's say code dot and enter. It will open in VS Code, and let's see the folder structure. This is our app, e-commerce app, as you see in the title. So what is this folder? The first one is node model. It is for node package. Each package we will install it will be inside this folder. Public, we will put anything static like image, voice, icons, and anything. We will use it as an asset. Source, it's the folder that we will be interested on it. It contain our assets like CSS and JS logo, some images. Component is our component that we will make. Router, it's our route. And store, that's when we install the Vue project, we choose vuex for state management. When we choose it, this folder will be created, and inside it there is index.js. This is for state management. And Vue, it's our HTML pages. Main.js and app.vue. App.vue is our start file. From here, where our application will start. And main.js is the main file for entire project. Get ignore, as you know, because we write inside it every folder. We don't want to push it on git. And another file, we will talk about it when the time comes. Sorry about that. So that was our video today. We created project Vue app, and by using Vue CLI command line interface, we create our first project, e-commerce app, and we see the folder structure. So in the next video we will talk about the structure, and we will start to run our application and build our first component. So keep watching my channel and please subscribe it, and see you on the next video. Thanks guys. I'm Fadi Debo, and I'm happy for you are watching my channel.